Swapping in a new dishwasher only requires a few basic tools. We'll walk you through the steps so you can replace yours with confidence. Shut off the power and the water supply. Remove the front access panel and disconnect the wiring, water line, and drain hose. Catch any falling water in a bucket and remove the mounting screws. Use a drop cloth to protect the floor when you remove the old dishwasher. Remove the access panel on the new dishwasher. Attach the provided elbow fitting to the dishwasher inlet valve and the water supply line. Route the supply line towards the shutoff valve, using painter's tape to hold it in place while you finish setting up the dishwasher. Run the drain hose through the existing cabinet opening to reach the sink drain. Tape it in place, but don't connect it yet. Set up the electrical connections according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then, gently slide the dishwasher into place. Connect the water supply to the shutoff valve and the drain hose to the tailpiece or garbage disposal. Secure the hose above the drain inlet to prevent backflow. Turn the water back on and inspect the connections for leaks. Adjust the dishwasher until it sits flush with the cabinets, then secure it in place using the provided brackets. Then, replace the front access panel. Now you're ready to turn the power back on and run a test load of dishes. Watch out for leaks or any electrical problems. Tackling a dishwasher install can be a rewarding DIY, but if you'd rather leave it to the pros, we offer trusted installation services to get the job done right. Head to your local Lowe's or schedule your service online to get started.